that was quite a run. That was nuts. The volume wasn't as big as the last one we did. It's pretty intense and definitely hit a bunch of rocks. The bottom of this kayak looks pretty jacked up. How's it going? Down here. How you doing? This is less crazy than last time, and it's not raining, which is really cool. Cool. That's tricky. That was tricky, I couldn't get off. Whew. So this is where I get Taco Bell, right on St. George's. It's right up here. And I remember this part was pretty rough coming out here, so let's try to hit it. And this is St. George's, Route 27. Some fresh spray paint. I did not want to hit that backwards. Something to grab onto. You'd have to step out, which I didn't want to do. That is harder than it looks. Straighten up. See, look at that. It's like a log or something. I gotta stay away from that. And let's see what the hell this is. Woo. That's NJ Transit Northeast Corridor, I think. How's it going? They look at me like I'm nuts. I love it. Woo! How's it going?
Hi.
I'm trying to find New York. Is this New York? Yeah, take care. Thanks. But I think I'm gonna call it here. You know what I'm gonna call it, because Bayway is not that clean and it's really muddy, and I think we're done. So let me find a good place to pull off. Definitely took on a lot of water. There might be a hole in this boat at this point. Let's see what's up. Yeah, it's a lot. Yeah, that's why it was so heavy. Let's see. Oh snap, jacked up.
You going on the water?
I just got off.
You was? I never seen nobody
Yeah.
over here on the water.
You know where Roselle is?
Yeah, you can?
Roselle Catholic High School?
Sure.
That's where I got on.
And you made it?
All the way.
So it's high water too.
Yeah, today's high water.
How you made through the city?
It's all, if you ever look, it's all cement channels.
I know, it's so
But I check it every so often to make sure there's nothing blocking it. So you just go.
I
Yeah,
live here for like over 30 years.
yeah.
And I walk in the park.
Never, right?
Never.
Well, I'm trying to get people to go on the river, on the waterways, you know, safely. And I went under the train too, Northeast Corridor. Oh, it's going. It's all right. Boom. Enjoy the rest of the day. We didn't get all that rain they were supposed to get.
Okay.
Take care. Hi again. How you doing? Oh man, I want to hang out at the spray park today. Woohoo! Look at that cool bus. But I met a lot of people this time because it wasn't raining. So this is a lot of fun. Look at that bus, the magic bus behind me. So this is Wheeler Park in Linden. Looks like a lot of fun for kids. Anyway, so we gotta get the Uber, gotta figure out, or the Lyft to get back to my car. Let's see how that turns out. So I don't know what to say. They're saying we should make these videos shorter, more cuts, trying to make them interesting. How many kayaking trips can you do in Union County, New Jersey, and make them interesting without doing whitewater? I don't know. So anyway, thanks for sticking in there. And I don't know what the next adventure is gonna look like. Maybe we can kind of hop the fence and hang out in the spray park. I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna do that. But I'm waiting for the Uber or the Lyft. Let's see if they come. No camps allowed. Camps are evil. I'm just kidding. How's it going? You Chris?
Yeah, how you doing?
Good. Can I put this in the back?
Okay.
It's up to you. I can put it here. I don't mind.
Anywhere.
Alright.
How you doing, man?
Good. How are you?
What do you use this for?
It's kayaking.
Right here?
Yeah. My kayak. So I hid it in the woods. I'll get my car, come back, and pick it up.
They won't take it?
I don't think so.
You never know, man. There are too many weird people, man.
Yeah, I don't think so. Everything has gone up in cost, and everything, and
3 times the price.
it's not always about how much money we can make. It's how much you can keep, because
You know, you just manage it with everybody, whether it's children or your wife. You should have a meeting. I have meetings in my house. You know, you don't go tearing up toilet paper as if I'm the one making it.
yeah,
You know, manage the way as much as you can use. Don't go put it as everything you have to use toilet paper to wipe it out.
Right.
We buy it.
yeah. My wife is very frugal. She's really good with
Yeah.
coupons. So, but
Yeah.
she likes deals. So everything is a deal. I'm like, honey, if we don't need it,
Yeah.
we don't need it.
You don't need it.
Yeah,
To be honest, if you don't need it, you don't need it.
yeah. But in America, we're made to think we need to keep buying everything.
No.
Just keep buy.
If you don't need it right now, why are you buying it? You don't really need it. Why are you buying it? If it's not something we can keep regularly, we eat. Why are you buying it? Enjoy your day.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you.
You too. Thank
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, take care.
See you soon. Is it still there? Nobody's gonna take this. People are cool. Woo! The beer still here. All right. We're gonna do what we call garbage basketball. You got one shot, folks. You got one shot. You got one shot. All right. All right. You only got one shot. Oh! All right. I would have picked it up anyway, but woo!